Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. This year I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers, so any help I can get from you guys would be much appreciated. Today's video I'm going to be installing a Tial Q blow-off valve on my Evo 9. So previously I was running the HKS blow-off valve, but I want to switch it up to the Tial blow-off valve. And the reason being is I have seen a lot of high horsepower builds run the HKS ones, but over time there's a plastic piece that cracks on it, and I believe it leads to leaking on the blow-off valve. I went with the blue blow-off valve to kind of keep it with the same theme I got going in the engine bay with all the blue hardware. This thing looks really nice. I have a slight hiccup though, guys. This upper intercooler pipe that I was using, it has a flange for the HKS blow-off valve, and I need to weld a new one on so that way I can mate up the Q valve to this. Turned out amazing. As you can see, sliced off the HKS flange and welded on the Tial one. But in doing so, we had to prep the surface. That way we'd have clean surface to weld this to. So we're going to have to put the coating back on, which is just a wrinkle black finish. So let's prep this thing up and get it sprayed up. It turned out pretty good.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
I'm going to allow this thing a little bit more time to cure, and then I'm going to wet sand it. I want to blend the edges just a little bit, that way it looks smooth. Alright guys, that's all I got for this video. If you liked it, smash that like button and also subscribe. We are almost there guys, almost to the finish line. Thank you so much for sticking along for it. Next video, we'll be doing the install on the FP Green, and that's going to finalize my winter build. So stay tuned.